In the south of Japan, there were 4 shakings ranging in magnitude from 1 to 6.1. It is reported by DITV with reference to the main meteorological agency of Japan. According to the agency, the tremors occurred within 2 hours west of the southern Japanese prefecture in Okinawa. The maximum force of shocks was 6 points. The strongest tremors were recorded at great depths. There was no information about deletions and forgotten ones. Earlier Sunday, a 7.2 magnitude shaking hit eastern Taiwan. A tsunami alert has been issued and residents are advised not to venture out to sea until the tsunami warning is lifted. It was also reported that as a result of a series of shaking in Taiwan, which is in relative proximity to Okinawa, some buildings were destroyed. In Hualien County, a 3-story house broke down.